Every business values its equipment and wants to protect its assets, which is the basis of condition monitoring. Thermal imaging provides insights into the condition of mechanical and electrical equipment, as well as highlighting developing issues for buildings and infrastructure. The FLIR Exx series of thermal cameras offers a variety of professional thermal resolutions to match different potential applications. Ease of use is guaranteed with a single-handed operation and touchscreen displays to quickly identify and capture thermal gradients and anomalies with ease. Featuring FLIR Ignite Cloud Backup and compatible with FLIR Thermal Studio reporting software, the Exx series of cameras meets the challenges of professional thermal inspections, all while simplifying and shortening the analysis and reporting process too.